called Brainspotting, and is used for people who are survivors of trauma or PTSD or other mental health concerns. It has been shown to be helpful with treating physical illness, inattention, stress, and low motivation. The direction that people look or gaze can affect the way they feel. That positioning your eyes a certain way can help to target sources of negative emotion and can help you go deeper and target the physical effects of trauma. Brainspotting is a combination of somatic experiencing, EMDR, and in my opinion, a sprinkle of NLP and hypnosis. Remember that what I share today, is only an overview of the many types of therapy that are out there. It is not meant to be a substitute for professional advice, medical treatment, medication, diagnosis, or mental health therapy. Always seek the advice of your qualified mental health provider or your physician if you have any questions regarding your treatment options.